Tired of limitations? Craving adventure? Prepare to unleash your inner explorer with the ORZELEBIKE K17. This isn't just an e-bike, it's a beast. Dual 1000W motors deliver a blistering 2000W peak power. Conquer any terrain with ease. Imagine effortlessly scaling mountains, powering through mud, or gliding across snow. The 100 Nm torque makes it all possible. Experience exhilarating speeds up to 50 km/h. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you leave the ordinary behind. But speed isn't everything. This powerhouse boasts a massive 48V 25Ah battery for an incredible range, up to 120 km in power-assisted mode. That's a whole day of exploration. Choose your adventure with 3 riding modes: electric, human-powered, or power-assisted. The Shimano 7-speed gears ensure smooth, efficient riding no matter your terrain. Plus, the 26 by 4.0-inch fat tires provide unparalleled grip and shock absorption. Safety is paramount. Powerful hydraulic disc brakes bring you to a halt quickly and safely, while bright headlights and rear lights keep you visible day or night. The ORZELEBIKE K17 isn't just a bike, it's freedom, it's adventure. It's the ultimate all-terrain electric mountain bike. But this offer won't last. For a limited time, we're offering a special discount and free shipping. Click the link below and use code POWER10 at checkout to claim your discount. Don't miss out on the ultimate e-bike experience. Order your ORZELEBIKE K17 today.